This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Tuesday, April 15th. In the stock index futures, we had the April Empire State Manufacturing Index coming in at a negative 8.1 when negative 10 was expected. Import prices and export prices in March both were less than anticipated, suggesting that inflation levels may be somewhat subdued. Stock index futures trading lower this morning, but I think are likely to recover and trade higher later today. Also, in the longer term, it appears that stock indices will probably be supported by a Fed that is probably going to ramp up accommodation. And in the currency markets, the March dollar index trading a little bit higher, but continues to hover near the lowest level in 3 years as concerns over the U.S. economic outlook and policy direction weighed on sentiment. We had the ZEW indicator of economic sentiment in Germany declining to negative 14 in April, much worse than the guess. And in the interest rate market futures, seeing prices mostly lower. The Federal Open Market Committee still predicted to lower its key interest rate by 25 basis points 3 times this year, maybe a 4th time, with the first reduction likely at the June meeting. It also appears that the interest rate market futures have recently underperformed the news, so that could be a sign of weakness with all of this accommodation coming, and yet here we are really not performing that well, so that would suggest that we may see some additional pressure on the interest rate market futures. But I think better opportunities also are in the dollar index to be trading the greenback from the short side. Also, I believe that the gold market will probably continue to advance. So best trades, I think, as far as markets to look at, once again, short the US dollar index, long gold, and then also short Treasury futures. So that's all I have here. Keep in mind that these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.